Hi there, welcome back. My name is Mark and guess who's back? So the good part is that she's legal again. We got some fresh new tires. The windscreen wiper fluid pump, windscreen fluid pump has been fixed, and there's a wheel bearing that's been replaced. But most importantly, the goodie bag is in. Yes, and in the goodie bag is something to replace this wet thingy, also broken. I already did that. I'm so sorry, I couldn't wait. It's now black. Here it is. We got another blinker. We get a tailgate lock. Een hekkenklappenschloss. Yeah, you probably don't know why I needed that, but we needed it. Yes. It's this little thing, and it's used to open the trunk, and the upper part is broken. So now we're gonna put on a new fresh one. Then we got some new wiper blades, and most importantly, and the goal of today's video, we got the window lift system that we are going to be replacing. But first things first, coffee. Just kidding, guys. Love the imperfections of the car. If we got time left, otherwise it's gonna be a future plan. But now the garage is still empty and the Ferrari is gone. I got no update for you, so sorry about that, but we're gonna give you one pretty soon. But meanwhile, we got the space all for ourselves. But what I wanted to say, I just showed you some imperfections of the car. It got a lot of imperfections. And like here, can you see it? Stone chip. My plan is when we finish working on a BMW, I'm gonna start polishing the hood and all the stuff behind. I have asked an offer for spraying the bumper spraying the rear bumper and repairing the damage over here. And it's a pretty annoying one because it doesn't buff out. And it's not a paint thingy, it's just damage, real bodywork damage. But I figured, well, we're spending a lot of money, why don't we spend it good? And I'm going to admit, I'm starting to love this car. It's a little car. Guys, you understand. So let's get started. Now the first thing we are going to have to do is we're gonna remove the window. And the window will be removed, I guess, with two little screws. One here and one over here. That didn't work. Both screws are, how do you call that one? Tight. And the screw of the Torx thingy is gone. So we're not going to be able to take the window out solo and replace the inner part. But luckily for me, YouTube gave me a solution. We're just gonna take it all apart. Do you know that feeling that at any given moment something can go terribly wrong? I have that feeling. Okay guys, don't believe anything you find on YouTube, or most things you find on YouTube, because you can't even pull that thing out in one. No, it cannot be done. And now I have to find a way to get those damn screws. Man. I kind of feel sorry for myself because I'm just such a stupid. And is it me or is it just, I don't know. Well, I just got off the phone while trying to get the window free, which is something that I really fear of getting done. Meanwhile, I thought, you know what, I'm gonna take a break and then I'm gonna search for the part, get it later today, so in the evening I have this one finished. Parts on back order. So I just got off the phone with BMW, official dealer, and they found two bolts where to tighten the window on the frame. It's going to be here next week. So that problem is solved, but it's taking longer than I anticipated. But now I still have to get the window out, and I just can't seem to do it. But we're gonna keep trying until you die, and then you die, and then you have to try it for nothing. Things will be okay, no problem. But we got one out. This little thing, can you see it? Sharpen, yes. Nah, well, this thing is mounted on the window and it makes sure that the window is fitted to place. And the screw was all gone, just like this one. But we got that one out, so we can finally continue. And probably you missed a part because the battery of my phone was dead. And it still is, because I attached it a little bit meanwhile. But there are some parts coming out. And well, I think I'm better off just cutting them, because is it possible to cut them? Oh no. What a job! I can't believe it. It seemed so simple when we started. Ah, we got one. Ow! We almost got one. Ah, we got one part out. It's the rail. One down, one to go. We did it. Here's the window. There's the old mechanism. What a piece of crap. And here are the two pieces that caused me grief today. My God. Et voila. This is all we can do right now. So we're gonna close this door. And we're gonna do some other jobs. Now the next thing we are going to do, we are going to replace the windscreen wipers. Now, I don't think that will be the easiest. No, I think that is going to be one of the easiest jobs in the world. But to be honest, completely honest with you, I have never ever done that. I'm a lazy type because usually somebody does it for me. And yes, I am laying it on the paint because we're gonna polish this car anyway. So let's see how that works. Probably just like the easiest job in the world. Yes, it is. And then we're gonna probably just squeeze it on top or something like that. Click. Done. Next one. Whee! Oops. Oh, hell yeah. Done. And another easy job on the list. This one. To replace it with this one. Yes, it's a little bit crowded in here, but that's okay. How do you do that? Well, easily you push it like forward, and then it's not as easy as the other side. Wait a minute. Yes, just like that. Hey, what do we got here? Why are you? Oh no, we got a forest up in here. Where is that coming from? I just cleaned the garage floor. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not what I thought I would find. Could be dirt everywhere. Okay, well, just like this, and you just wait 1 second. I'm going to have to need to do a lot of editing here. Well, you just pull this one out a little bit and you turn it and you can release it. That's the same way how to replace the light bulb. Then you take the new one, just push it over, turn it back, and it's done. You have to be careful and scratch the paint. Then you take it back, yes, the way that you removed it, just like that. As you can see, it works. Job done. Ba-dam! Yes, they are in. So we can finish up this vlog, this project, the repair of the BMW, the BMW. So, what more to say? Let's get started. So the window is in, and what we do now, or what we should be doing now, and what we're gonna start with, is adjusting. For example, you can see that the window doesn't come up completely. It leaves a gap about half a centimeter of a gap on the other side, upper side, and this one doesn't correctly shut the door. So adjustment time, and I don't know how to do it, but that's a different problem. Well, of course that didn't go to plan, like always. Well, we got the window lined up, but somehow, the window engine seized. It sucks. Welcome to the drama, guys. Well, I took a lot of your time for now. Next week I'm gonna continue working, but for now I'm gonna end this vlog. Thank you for watching. See you again next time, and goodbye.